Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we have another unboxing, a very new brand. The brand is LCD model. It's a Chinese made, and as you can see in the front it's a Huayra Roadster. It's a die-cast model, and this is my first model from this brand, LCD models, and looks very perfect, and I'm very excited to see the model, but I wanted to share it with you guys as well. Starting from the box, as you can see, they come with the protected plastic side things to protect the box, which is a very good addition. Let me remove these. These are placed on all the corners of the box, the top and the bottom, and it is a very safe thing. But none other models have such kind of things than this model, and this is the first time I received these kind of packings with the model. And this is the model, where it's in a very unique color, maroonish red I can say, or cherry red I can say, and the box is normal like paper card, and lower Pagani model shape over here, and Pagani Huayra Roadster on all the sides with the logo and everything. And on the bottom we have the description. We have the description of the model and the company, a little bit about the company in the bottom. Yeah. It's a licensed model for Pagani, and it's a new company, I suppose. I have never seen such brand before, but it was, and with a good price as well. I mean, comparing with Auto Art and other brands, it's a very good price, and I've seen the quality. It's amazing what the price they are offering at the moment, and with that price it's amazing model and way better than Auto Art, I suppose. I mean, I can say, because I have Auto Art and I have this model now as well, and it's way much better. So moving further, let me bring it out from the main box. So it comes with this card for the various openings and everything, how to open the unbox the model from the box we have. So it comes over here, and the box opening is very unique. I mean, I haven't seen it. I mean, the quality and everything. There is a small knob over here which says Pagani, a logo of Pagani, and you just pull it and it opens, which is very simple. And it comes with two screwdrivers, one small to open the model parts, and another screwdriver. It's quite heavy screwdriver actually, a very good screwdriver with the same color as the model. This is the color the model is in, and a very unique shape and a good quality. They should have given a Pagani logo over here on the top of the screwdriver. That would be an additional add, but nevertheless. So it says LCD models on the side, but it comes simple, but the color is the same as the screwdriver, that's for sure. So this comes over here, it comes with the packing, and I'll keep it like that with the box, which is a very good addition. So I was talking about the way the model opens. It's just this, to pull this knob, and it comes on this side like this, and the other goes like this, and the model is here, packed, well packed. Look at the color. We will discuss the color in the few minutes, but the way they have packed it, the plastic cover on the model and the fabric as well comes with it, and the color is excellent, beautiful color. No words can define it. It's a very unique model from LCD models. Really happy with the quality they have made. I mean, I can see it right now, it's packed, but it's a very good model. So let's bring it out from the box and put it on the table and talk about it in detail. So here it is. What a color. Very epic model it is. Look at the quality. Let me little focus. First we'll go around in a circle for a quality that it has. What a quality. I am so happy for the decision I made of buying this model. Guys, this model has to be one of its kind. Look at the color and the carbon work going on. Very cool model. And the price tag, guys, it's unbelievable. Way too low from AutoArt, all the other brands. And they have achieved everything, starting from the front, the splitter, as you can see, it's all carbon fiber, and the details, the small lights, the good quality lights, even over here, even the main lights are all carbon fiber effect going on with the light quality, very good. There you go, have a look. Cool model. Even the front fins work as well. It's all die cast, by the way. It's not composite or any other. It's totally die cast. So it goes like this, and then over here as well, it's all carbon fiber coming on over here. The side mirrors as well, carbon fiber, glossy carbon fiber. Really a cool model, guys. And love the color. It's cherry red, whatever you can say. It's a wonderful color. And the wheels over here, silver wheels with the same matching color for the body, brake calipers. And one thing I'm not sure, which is it should be like this, or it's a fault in the model or in the packing. I mean, the person who was assembling the model, he made the mistake, or I don't know. Over here you can see it's all stripes and prettily, and the writing is all white, but on the other side it's blue. There you are. And even the brake calipers over here are different in color, and the wheels as well. I noticed right now, I mean, the wheels on this side are different color, and on the other side they are of silver color. I think it's a critical mistake, or maybe it's on purpose, I don't know. Well, anyway, moving further, Pagani logo over here, and then all carbon fiber running on the side slits over here, and all carbon fiber running around here, and it's a very good carbon fiber quality as well. Moving further, it's all carbon fiber over here, and then there is a grill on these fins as well, and it's a very good quality. I mean, neat and clean, and the fins has a grill which is in a very good quality, as you can see over here. And there is a small glass to have an engine look with the AMG logo over there, and small glass over here and here, and a Pagani logo over here. Very cool. Huayra spider logo over here. No, it's the owner's signature, sorry. and then there is a rear intake with a good design of grill on it. There you have a look, which is outstanding. I mean, they have put really good detail in the model, and really a good model, guys. Moving further, all carbon fiber going on. As you can see, it's all carbon fiber. The back diffuser is textured with carbon fiber. It's plastic, but it's has a carbon fiber effect on it. Even the lights over here and the 4 exhaust pipes. Look at the design of the grill, the detail and the quality. It's amazing. The Pagani logo as well. Huayra spider logo on the side. Really a cool model. The light quality is good on the back side as well. I mean, they have really made it in a good detail. Even the back fins works as well to give it a downforce. It's not stuck, but it works. I mean, I need a proper tool to open it, but it works. So there you are. It's die cast as well. Look at the shape over here. I mean, it's really, I really like the shape over here. The fenders and everything, the curves. I really like the artwork on the Pagani. I mean, it is really artwork. The Pagani always manufacture things with really artistic things and really cool stuff. So over here we have golden wheels with blue stripes on the tires, and all is working the same way and running around. So let's open the bonnet and see what's in there. Not much, but the best part is that they have the hinges to hold the bonnet because it's quite heavy. Even the trunk as well, the main engine cover. And really you can see the suspension in a gold color. These are the suspension parts, which is really unique and outrageous. And you can see all the carbon fiber detail in the plastic running around. Really cool. Let's close this and view the interior. And yes, it's a spider, so the roof comes off. There you are. It's simple, but the quality, the designing and the markings are really excellent. I was talking about the carbon fiber effect. There you are. It's really cool. So, talking about the interior, look at that. Excellent. All this is carbon fiber with silver and a carbon fiber running around here as well, and the Pagani logo in the center, and steering carbon fiber. The dash, front of the dash is carbon fiber. Let me show it from here. There you are. And we have small baggage on both sides as well, small bags on the back side of the seats, and all carbon fiber. Really a cool looking model it is. It's better than Auto Art, I can guarantee that. I can 100% guarantee that it will be better than Auto Art. Auto Art model is coming soon, so I think it will be great competition. Look at the details in the center console. There you are, the gear knob and everything, even the steering. Very well made. Something went wrong with the camera. There you are. Really cool stuff. There you are. So let's move towards the engine. Now I want to show you something before I open it. Looking at the back, it goes further. There you are, and opens like this, and you can see the hinges holding them on the both hand, and it works like a original car. And look at the detail of the engine in this car and the gold effect and everything. Really cool. Even the suspension works. These shocks works. There you are. The front, and they work in the front as well and at the back as well. And it do come with the luggage bags. There you are. They come out. There you are. They come out. They are on the both sides. There you are. And look at the joints. Really a good model. Really something to have in the collection. The color is perfect, the details are perfect, and love this model. No defect at all, except the tires. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right, but I don't know, but I can live with it. It's much better to change on the various sides and see what it is. So let me put the roof back and have a look like this. Excellent. Very epic model. There you go, how it's closed. The doors are closed. So yeah, this is it, guys. This is a very cool model, guys. Should buy it if you are a Pagani lover. Love to have this model in the collection. Really liked it. My friend suggested me this model and I really liked it. Love this model, guys. And hands up for LCD models. So guys, take care. Do let me know what you think about the model. See you another time with another video and another model. So till that, take care. Goodbye. God bless you all.